Have you ever got frustrated because you ran out of the space in your laptop and you cannot add any more hard disk drive because you have only one slot and that is also maxed out? Or you have a bunch of hard disk drive from your old laptop which is good and you don't know what to do with them? If you experience any of those issues, please continue watching my video. I will tell you guys how to add more hard disk drive with your laptop even though if you maxed out on your motherboard, and I will tell you how you can use these old hard disk drive if you have these laying around with your laptop. So in order to add more hard disk drive in your laptop, we need a couple of things. First, we need this screwdriver. It's easy to find, and of course we need a hard disk drive, old one or new one as you want. You need the laptop DVD-ROM socket. Now if you do not have the socket, don't worry, I have another way to show you later on in the video. Now let's jump to the topic, which is adding more space through your DVD-ROM. Yes, we can add hard disk drive through your DVD-ROM. What you need is a DVD-ROM caddy. You can purchase it online as I did it right here. Now when you have this, you simply can remove this screw. Most laptops have only one screw right here somewhere under the DVD-ROM, right in the middle, and you need to remove this only. Now keep in mind there could be some other screws around it. You don't need to remove them. Most of the time is only one. Now when you take out your DVD-ROM, it should look like this. Now what you can do is you need to remove this front piece. It's very easy. It's just a tab. There's no screw in there. Usually it's just a snap out. You can just snap it out. It's pretty easy. Now you need the caddy I showed you earlier and your hard disk drive, and you install it right here with the 4 little screws. Keep in mind the screw comes with the caddy as well as the screwdriver. Now for reference, I have this another hard disk drive and it fits right here like this. So it goes right here. The connectors are right here, so it's gonna go probably this way or that way depending on your hard disk drive. Make sure it's 2.5 inch, not the bigger one which we use in desktop computers. Now we can install this part back into the caddy. Now it has your hard disk drive and the part came out from the side of the DVD-ROM. Now we need to insert this in the laptop, and now you can see I have only C and D drive. I don't have a third one. Now once we insert it, let's see what's gonna happen. And this is this tab right here where the screw gonna go. Now we can just simply slide it, and you can refresh with my computer. After inserting it, you need to restart your computer. Once you restart it and open your My Computer, you will see a new drive will appear. It could be FE depending how many other drives you have. In my case it's drive E, and as you can see it was 2 TB hard disk, and I already have 1.55 free because I was already using it. So this is how you can use your DVD-ROM slot to add more hard disk drive. Now let's move to the next one. Now earlier in the video I told you guys that I will show you another way how you can still add hard disk drive even though if you do not have DVD-ROM slot in your new laptop, because most of the new laptop they do not have DVD slot. Anyways, now what you need is these things, external hard drive enclosures. They come in a different size. Of course if you are using for your laptop, most likely you will need 2.5 inch setup. Now open them up and then see what they have. USB to Type-C and your enclosure. In my case, I ordered a clear one because I feel it looks pretty cool. Now it has one more film on it. Let's remove this also. There you go. This looks like pretty cool, nice quality. Now let's open this guy up. It's a slide out, I believe, so you can just slide out and make sure the connectors matches with your enclosure. So in my case it's gonna go this way. Snaps right in. Again, that's it, snaps right in. Now for extra protection, if you guys want, you can add a piece of clear tape here so they won't open, but most likely they won't open. Now let's connect this with my computer. As you can see, the light came on, and let's see if it's going to recognize it. I feel a little bit of vibration. Let me put it on the side. So now you need to restart. First time only I encountered a problem because this hard disk drive had Windows on it and my laptop was trying to start with this hard disk as a primary window hard disk. So keep in mind, if you have anything like that, just restart it and it will come up like right here, and then you can format it, and then after that you can start using it. So that's what I found it, but that could be useful for you guys. So if I remove it, as you can see, I remove it. Now if I refresh the page, well, I don't have to refresh, it's gone already. You can see the drive disappeared. Now if I plug it in again, let's give it a few seconds. Here you go, it appears again. Now I have 3 hard disk drive connected to my laptop simultaneously. This is what you can do with your old laptops. If you're running out of space and you have hard disks laying around in your home, old ones, doesn't matter, they all work the same way. So that was for the video for today, guys, and if you really like my video and it was helpful for you, please consider subscribing my channel, and I will catch you guys with my next video. Take care, bye bye.